Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So here I want to explain to you about my study and project plan, about what will I do after I graduate from IDN. First, so there is three topics that I will tell you. That is, what is my study plan, and the second is, what is my project plan, and the third is, where will I go. So the first one is, what is my study plan is about what will I do after I graduate from IDN boarding school. And second, what is my project plan? The project plan is my plan to make something after I graduate from IDN. And the third is, where will I go is my dream for going to another country. So for it, my study plan is, the first is going after when I, the first is I will continue in IDN boarding school for my vocational high school, but for my college I will continue in Massachusetts Institute of Technology, or MIT. This institute is located in America, or USA, in Cambridge, Massachusetts. So this so why I choose this the why do I choose this university? Because it is the best, one of the best included. This university is included for one of the best university in the world. It is get the rank 5 in the world, and the first one is Oxford. So I go here because I'm interested with their knowledge about IT. So because the the purpose I go to IDN is to learn about IT. And why do I continue my vocational high school to IDN? Because I want to finish, because I want to continue my IT skill, and I want to increase my skill until I can be expert in one skill, that is programming. And after that I will continue it to MIT, because this university is, maybe I can get a beneficial knowledge from this university. Okay, so let's go to the next. It is Islamic University of Medina, or UIN. This university is one of the best universities too. So why do I want to go to this university? Because this university is not only give us about a knowledge, give us a knowledge about about anything that we want, such as we want to learn about programming and each other and another. But this university will guide us to learn that knowledge, but according to Islam. So this is I will choose this university because, yeah, if I go there, I will, inshallah, I will have a beneficial knowledge about dunya and about akhirat too, because the university is give us knowledge about anything about the world, but it is according to the rule of Islam. Okay, so continue to the next one. That is Institute of Technology Management. That is in Dubai. Dubai is one of the city in Uni Emirat Arab. So why do I choose this this university? Because first is I like the knowledge about this university. This university is give us knowledge about, yeah, you can see this about technology, or about IT or something like that. And also I like the country and the city too, because this university is located in Dubai, in Uni Emirat Arab. So if I can go there, inshallah, I will go to Dubai. And yeah, Dubai is one of the city that I like because Dubai is like a futuristic city. When I see in the photo, I see in Google image or something, okay, something like that, I see that Dubai is like a futuristic city, and when I see Uni Emirat Arab, it seems like Dubai like a futuristic country. Okay, so next, so before we have been finished for what is my study plan, and now we will continue to my project plan.
Ready? Done.
So my project plan. What is my project? What is project plan? Project plan is what will I do, or what is project? What kind of project that I will do if I was graduated from IDN boarding school. So yeah, the first one is I will start to make a startup company because yeah, you know some of the best business in the world is make a startup company. So yeah, it's only if I can make a startup company, I will start to make a startup about IT because yeah, IT knowledge in this era is a knowledge that very useful because now we live in a modern era, so we need to balance our knowledge with that era too. So how can we balance it? We can balance it using a knowledge about IT, and I want to make a startup company about IT too. For make a digital era is become more futuristic. Okay, next is become an app and web developer. In IDN, I've learned about language of programming in when in only in when only in junior high school, but in vocational high school I will continue to software engineer, which I will learn so many things about programming language. But for now, I have learned about HTML, CSS, and now I still learning about Kotlin. Yeah. For HTML and CSS is I learned it for become a web development because HTML is a language that we can use for create a bone of a website. And for CSS is we can create the design of the website, and for the interactive we will learn in JavaScript, but I haven't learned about JavaScript. So yeah, what about Kotlin? Before I said to you that I've just learned about Kotlin, right? So Kotlin is for create an app for Android. So we code Kotlin is mostly in Android Studio. So, but if you want to code it in the VS Code, it can, but you need to install plugin. But the easiest one, we only need to go to Android Studio to code it, and we can code about Kotlin, and we can export and upload it to Google Play Store. So that's why here is for learning about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Kotlin, and Flutter, because that six programming language is only for app development and web development. Which is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP is for creating a website for web development, but for Kotlin and Flutter, we can use it for app development, or maybe Android development, or iOS development. Okay, so continue. The next, my project plan is working in one of the startup company, best startup company, for example, such as Google and Meta. You know, Google is one of the best company in Indonesia, and yeah, if you work in Google, maybe you can get much salary, and for Meta is it's because of Meta now it started to make a project about metaverse. So maybe I can getting many very beneficial knowledge when I working in Meta because yeah, if you know metaverse is like we are living in a virtual world, in the virtual realm. But so that's why I want to go to Meta for working and for Google. Maybe I can learn about many things about maybe I can learn many things about programming language or something like that. Okay, so next is where will I go? Four is we have done for my project plan, and so now we will go to the next topic that is where will I go? So so in this theme is I will explain to you about what where will I go after I was graduated from IDN boarding school, and it means like what where is my target to go. So the first is I want to go to Dubai or Uni Emirat Arab because yeah, as before I have said to you, in Dubai there is a university called IMT, the Institute Management of Technology, and that university is located in Dubai, and Dubai is located in Uni Emirat Arab, or maybe you can say Dubai is one of the city in Uni Emirat Arab. So I will choose this country because I like the culture of this country so much, and as you can see there is a photo of Dubai. This is the photo of Dubai, and the tallest tower here is Burj Khalifa. It's the tallest tower in the world. So as you can see, the Dubai in this photo is so futuristic, and that is something that I want. I want to go to some city that looks futuristic because I like something about technology. Okay, continue. The next is I want to go to Tokyo, Japan. Why do I want to go to Tokyo? Because yeah, Tokyo, Japan is and one of the best country in the world. Japan is the world for the country of robotics. So almost knowledge in Japan is telling about IT, and the culture of Japan is if you want to learn something, then you will learn it from the first until you are graduated. So that's why I better pick Japan. So next I will go to Mecca and Medina because yeah, as what Rasulullah SAW said in one of his hadith that Dajjal will not come into the two cities, that is Mecca and Taibah, and here
What's your
sorry.
network because of you? Alan, Astagfirullah.
You're still recording, and it's left.
Oh, Allah. Okay, so that's all from me, from my study and project plan. I'm sorry if I have a mistake, and I'm sorry because the slide is stopped. So, last word I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bye.